We needed a ladder to get my airplane out of the tree. I'm just kidding. There's a rare bird stuck in our tree. And after a lot of phone calls,
she's sending her people. She says they're taking the bird because they, you know, I mean, I just drove 15 minutes. She says, oh, you can stick around if you want to help.
I'm sorry about that. Everybody called. Everybody in the neighborhood was calling.
I just think it's wonderful.
Yeah.
And I didn't know how, and I've been calling, and I'm like this, but I just think
I tried climbing that tree. Then I took my fishing pole and was snagging around the branches and trying to get the branch free. Couldn't get it.
it's too hard.
It is.
It's just
That's why I'm so glad they came. And there she is right there. Osprey Animal Rescue. Yeah, you think they would go through all this if I was stuck in a tree? Said, do you think they would go through all this if I was stuck in the tree? Or if you were stuck in a tree? I don't think so. Yeah, our ladder wasn't big enough, so we had to get another one out here.
Really?
How are you doing today?
I'm really good. I opened the door and I said, wow, 3 big fire trucks.
Yeah. Everybody was out here brainstorming, trying to figure out how to get the bird out of the tree.
Now, I understand it as a baby down below.
Somewhere, yeah. I don't know where that is now. You want to put gloves on and go up with them?
thank you so much.
All right, thank you too. Thank you very much. We really appreciate your effort. No. All right, now I want to go think.
Pretty cool though.
See, that ladder's better than our ladder, Kenny.
Is the bird dead?
No. Yeah. That's what I don't know. If I did climb up that far, what the hell was I going to do when I got there?
I was just going to snap the branch. I just would have cut the branch.
Wow, look at that plane. That's a neat little plane.
Yep. Hey, I know he's way up there, man, but this probably would have helped him, huh?
He's got the gloves.
Yeah, I don't see no gloves on that guy.
I'm sure they're up there.
Wow, man, that's a hell of a fish on that.
Fishing lure.
Is it a fishing lure?
Yeah.
Unbelievable. He probably dove in the water, the ocean, caught that, and
I checked that tree trimming guy.
they're on their way too.
Yeah, I know. I told him, don't worry about it, man. I said, the fire department here. That's Charlie Hill. Hello? It looks like the fire department's got it, buddy. I texted you. Did you get my text? Man, I really appreciate you, buddy, man. I'll tell you, I'm going to put a word out there on Facebook anyway. We're looking out, man. Looking out for the bird, man. You got to take care of them. It looks like they're up to the tree right now. Thank you, man. Thank you. I see an accident right now. It's dark, don't you?
Couldn't happen on a better day. Couldn't happen on a better day.
I see that. I see
I know.
that thing this way flipping that truck.
No.
Awful far out, man.
No, shut up. You're all being recorded. That's okay. They got outriggers and that truck's got weights in it. Yeah, huh?
That tree guy? Yeah. He was back up. There's a tree guy. He showed up, man.
Thanks for showing up, man.
Yeah, man. I'm telling you. He was going to climb right up there and get it.
Go ask me if you smoke. Thomas smoked too. This guy has got balls. Yeah, because you've never seen an osprey before. You're from Pennsylvania. They got it in there. Oh. Now he's got to hope the bird don't die from a heart attack. Yeah, and talons, but he's in a weakened state right now. Well, that was our first attempt. Actually, that was our third attempt with that ladder. And after a full day of searching, we found this ladder, which worked much better.
That lady I called for the office. Thanks to the fire department. Thank you all, everybody. Hey, I'm so glad that the tree guys, man, they really came through, man.
Yeah.
They did.
One of every
all
aspect.
all three of them that I called showed up here, Doug. Was going to come here.
Mm-hmm. Now you're going to have to swing around.
Look at that piece of machinery my tax dollars paid for.
Probably seriously traumatized that bird. I always see what it looks like.
Yeah, he's already extremely traumatized.
Well, they're going to take him to a vet probably, right?
She's going to take him right there.
Yeah. Oh, cool.
You need a license to touch him.
Oh. I didn't know that.
That's why even if we rescued him, we couldn't do nothing with him but let him sit on the ground until someone got here.
Yeah, go around the other way.
Yeah.